survived last night. This tent is more durable than I thought. Big Agnes, you get a thumbs up on that. It is very windy and overcast, and it's ominous. So it's kind of bizarre. We're going to be hiking a lot downhill today to the station, which is a hostel that I called and got us each a bed. I'm assuming in a bunk room. So we will have, a roof over our head and a shower tonight, which I think I need it. Because it's been a few days, and last night, just the whole day yesterday was so bizarre. See, it's windy here. You never know. But we're going to be hiking downhill mostly today after our huge uphill yesterday. So I will keep you posted. Listen to that wind. There he goes, a little brown snake. He's not a rattlesnake. I don't know what kind of snake he is. But there he goes. Walking into a cloud. There is a mountain beyond that trail, and there's a view on that side, which is pretty amazing. But as you can see, the cloud is enveloping us. You can't even see the trail beyond 100 yards. That's pretty cool. In Scotland. There's Adam. Here's the trail. Okay, it's not too bad. We're going down. Then, if you can look, the trail goes right up into that cloud. I'll zoom in. There's the trail. Adam's faster than me, so I sent him ahead. Hard to see because of the clouds, but this is the top of where we're hiking. There's the trail we came from. It's very windy, and that countryside is where we're headed. We have been flip-flopping back and forth from Tennessee to North Carolina. And look at this. One more state down, leaving North Carolina. Goodbye, North Carolina. You've been fun. Awesome. Let's move on. We hiked 12 plus miles today, and now we are at the hostel that we've been waiting for. It's the station at 19E, and this building is the building for the hostel. Down there is the laundry room, and I'll take you around to the front of the building here. There's their van that picked us up, which is really nice. They have a pub right here with all kinds of craft beers and food. I had a pastrami sandwich. Adam had a fish and chips. We'll go through here and pool and then karaoke back there. So after this pub, this is the downstairs. That goes out to like a patio. There is a dart room, and this is all the hikers that have stayed here so far in 2022. And we are 438 and 439, which is kind of fun. There's also back here a resupply room for purchase. All the stuff that you might need on the trail, so you don't have to even go into town. I'll show you upstairs in a minute. All right, well, I just came up the stairs, and now this is like the common area with some hiker rules and suggestions over here. We have a kitchen, which was great. I did some dishes, which is awesome. This is the women's bathroom with a shower, which was awesome. That's a refrigerator if you need to refrigerate anything. And this mural is really incredible. Starts in Georgia, goes to Maine.
Oh yeah?
So now I'm going upstairs. There's the Appalachian Trail. And our room is straight ahead. We have 2 twin beds, a fan to get some fresh air, all that we need. Okay, I did some laundry and I'm in my borrowed clothes. They always have some hiker clothes that you can use while you do laundry, so I grabbed this fancy dress and we're about to go sing karaoke if they have it tonight.
I got literally.
Well, we're in for the night. We're going to hike about 14 miles tomorrow, slack packing. This hostel is beyond awesome. It's very rustic, but the people who run it are super nice. The food is amazing. And they set up hiker karaoke for us, which, you know, how can you go wrong there? And the loaner clothes were just beyond awesome. And if you want to know what loaner clothes are, a lot of hostels will have baskets of clothes that are clean that you can put on while you do all of your laundry that isn't clean. So you can grab some clothes and go do your laundry. And so all of us are in crazy dresses and funny outfits, and it's a lot of fun. So good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.